If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your Yahoo Mail account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Make sure you are on the main inbox page. Step 2. Access account security settings. Click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then choose Account Security. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. In the Account Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you can manage your security settings. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. Toggle the switch or checkbox next to the two-step verification option to turn it off. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the change. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-step verification, ensure you save any changes made. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt and click it to apply the new settings. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Yahoo Mail account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular security checks.